Hello mga mami, magluluto po tayo ng chicken breast. So ito po yung zest ng ating lime. Lagyan natin ng shallot and garlic. Virgin olive oil. Thyme po ito, wala akong fresh kaya ito na lang dried. Lagay natin itong ating garlic and shallot. Pepper. A little paprika, yung ating lime juice, kailangan po natin hiwain yung ating chicken, okay na po natin yung chicken natin dyan. We sit for 1 hour. So, luto na po natin. Hindi na tayo maglalagay ng oil. Kailangan mainit yung ating kawali. Ang bango. Yung lahat ng sauce na pinagbabara natin, ilagay natin. Beautiful. Guys, this looks so good, smell good, and taste so good. Look at that. Wow. Some parsley. So lunch is ready. Look at this chicken. You should try this, guys. Napakasarap po ng lasa niya.